You can grab this semi-automatic KitchenAid espresso machine at Best Buy for $279.99, savings of $170. Let's do some price comparison. You can see here the KitchenAid selling around $450 at other places, and even on eBay is around $350. So right now Best Buy has the best price for this KitchenAid machine for around $280. It's got a 4.4 out of 5-star rating. Here are some of the features. Alright, thanks for checking out this deal. Please subscribe for more special Black Friday deals. Thanks again and happy shopping.